Okay, today I'm gonna be showing y'all guys how to change the oil on probably most of the John Deere zero turn mowers, but just for reference, this one's a Z830A. First thing you're gonna want to do is figure out how much oil you need, and you can take this John Deere model number to your lawnmower parts store, and they'll get you fixed up with a filter. But that's gonna show you all your specifications that you need to be doing. If you look down here on the right hand side of your engine, it's gonna be a 10mm nut, and you'll just loosen that up counterclockwise, pretty good ways. Start to see the oil coming out. In my case, I kind of got that thing turned weird, but sit here and let it drain out. I just take mine off. There's a spot back here you can hook a hose to, but put your pan down there and let it catch all that oil. Once that's drained out, we'll take that oil filter off. Another thing is just go ahead and loosen this cap right here. That'll give you some better flow on your oil, get it all drained out. Once the stream started slowing down a good bit, you can just take this oil filter off. Hopefully you can get yours off with your hand. I got mine off with my hand. I just hand tighten them when I put them back on. All right, now we're getting close to the end. So we'll take our new filter and rub a little oil around the seal, and we'll get some more oil, but just showing y'all that on the video. And I'm gonna screw that right back on there, and then I'm gonna screw that plug back in there, and then we'll fill it up with some oil and check it. Once you've made it this far, you just take your recommended oil for your lawnmower and pour it right in right there with a good clean funnel. After we get done with this, we're gonna check it with a dipstick. Okay, now I'll turn it over and let it run a few seconds. We'll come right here, pull this dipstick out, wipe it off, put it back in, and we'll check the oil. Hard to see, but if you're up there to that full mark, for some reason it's not zoomed. Yep, if you're up there to that full mark, you're good to go.